It's USDJPY. This the analysis. This the pair that I analyzed the start of the week. I think 3 days ago, Monday. Um, I never got in this trade, as you could see. I was actually waiting for price to break. I was expecting, again, the worst word to use in the market. Expecting, may as well say predicting, and predicting is the worst thing to do in trading, because you're saying that you, one trader, going against thousands and thousands of hundreds of thousand traders, um, prediction, or I wouldn't say prediction, but you, one person is going against, one person is deciding the direction of the market against hundreds of thousands of other traders, and that's impossible. For someone to say they predict that the price is going there, they're basically saying that everyone else is thinking the same as them, or he or she can read the minds of all the traders that are out there that are either buying or selling. So predicting is not a way to say, and don't, if you do say that, stop saying that, because it really will hurt you in the long run, um, mentally the most. So I actually have a mentor, a group where I learned technical analysis and where I learned how to trade. I'm only recently new at trading, but not that I don't trade for a long time, but I can say that I have a good bit of experience of on direction of the market, anyways. But he says that trading does not take your money, but it takes your soul, and I can very much understand what he's trying to say, and I don't really need to explain. You can kind of know what I'm saying, and so it's very mentally painful to predict. So react to the market and stop predicting the market. That's what I'd say. That's what he says, actually. So anyways, see, TP1 hit, TP2 hit. But I was actually waiting for this candle here. Let me zoom in. This candle, this broke. I was waiting for this candle to drop, but it didn't. I was actually waiting to drop. I was actually waiting for a test here. If I got a test here, I would have probably got in. But then again, it's so close. If I take 40 pips and 100 pips, that's not bad. So 40 pips isn't too bad either. I would have then had stop loss here, entry here, if the market was to come back here. And if the market then, if it happened to come here, break this line as well, break this line, retest this, I would have got in here. I would have 100% would have gotten in here to take it up then. But that was like, unfortunately that was not the case. Market broke the line, retested, and shot to TP2. I would have never got in here, because I just don't get in around TP areas. Just don't, unless I see really good structure build up, or there's not really structure here around here, you know, very far away, very far away, that structure. So you know, it was not gonna, I wasn't gonna risk it. I mean, look, if it worked, you know, and next time if I were to try again, it would have probably worked. I would have went negatively. So it's best to avoid, even if you see. So anyways, look, this video is going way too long than I expected. Anyways, so that's it. It hit TP, but it never went, it didn't form the structure that I usually will get in. So that's why I didn't get in this trade. But look, it went like I said, direction is very easy to predict, but entry is a different story. You know, because you could have maybe entered here and then could have kept going down. Maybe enter here, could have kept going down, you know. Just let's have good structure. I would have went in. So yeah. With that being said, guys, thanks so much. That's the last trade for this week. See you next week.